Welcome to Lima, the capital city of Peru. Here are some 4 interesting facts about Lima. 1. Lima was founded on the 18th of January 1535 by Francisco Pizarro, a Spanish explorer and conquistador. 2. Did you know that the city is the second largest desert city in the world? Well, now you know. Lima is built on the Peruvian coastal desert located in the valleys of the Chillón, Rimac, and Lurin rivers. It is actually one of the driest capitals in the world. 3. The city has a 250 kilometers coastline that is very popular with surfers. And 4. It is nicknamed the City of Kings because it was founded on the Catholic holiday of Epiphany, also known as Three Kings Day. Are you planning to visit Lima in the near future? Why not book a free walking tour with a local guide? This is a fantastic way to explore the city on a budget. It's free to book and there are no cancellation fees in case you decide to cancel your booking. You can find a booking link below on the description section of this video. And if you like the content, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on TikTok and Pinterest. This will help us grow and produce more content like this. Thank you.